If you do not know yet, Asus is going to launch its ROG Phone 7 series on the 13th of April, which means in just a few days. And this time you are getting only two phones, the Asus ROG Phone 7 and Asus ROG Phone 7 Pro. There will not be any ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. At least that's what leaks and rumors have suggested. Today we got the official renders of both these phones, thanks to Evan Blass who shared these images on Twitter. So in this video, let us talk about the design of the ROG Phone 7 and ROG Phone 7 Pro. There are some subtle design changes this year if you compare these phones with the ROG Phone 6 or ROG Phone 6D series. Starting with the ROG Phone 7, the camera module is now smaller in size, and the way the LED flash is placed, the camera module now feels more symmetrical. There is also less text on the back, which makes the design cleaner. Another thing to note is that while the ROG Phone 7 does have the ROG logo on the back, it is not placed in the same way as on the ROG Phone 6, so that makes the design cleaner. The phone has a two-tone look on the back, where the top portion seems to have a transparent design similar to the Nothing Phone one. Coming to the Asus ROG Phone 7 Pro, it has the same camera module design and less text on the back. But like the ROG Phone 6 Pro and ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, the ROG Phone 7 Pro has a second screen on the back. The phone also has that flap on the back which is used to directly cool the internal components of the phone while using the AeroActive cooler accessory. This was not present on the ROG Phone 6 Pro, but was there on the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and Asus called it the AeroActive Portal. And well, that is all about the design of the ROG Phone 7 and ROG Phone 7 Pro. We do not know the full specifications yet, but we know that Asus usually upgrades two things in its ROG phones: performance and cooling. For performance, we know that both these phones will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, but there is no information on what all upgrades the cooling department is getting. If the rest of the specifications are the same as last year, then we are looking at a 6.78-inch 165Hz AMOLED display on both the phones, a 50-megapixel primary camera sensor, a 6000 mAh battery, and 65-watt fast charging. So what do you think of the upcoming Asus ROG Phone 7 series? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.